Hello students, now we are going to just go for the next paragraph. In last class we studied till here where Franz entered the school and he was quite nervous, and he just his teacher told Franz that we are beginning without you, so you just take your seat. Now I'm going to start the class from here. I jumped over the bench and sat down on my desk. I jumped over the bench and sat down on my desk. Not till then, when I got a little over my fright, did I see that our teacher had on his beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt, and a little black silk cap, and all embroidered, that he never wore except on inspection and prize days. So what is being said here, that when Franz saw Mr. M. Hamel, he was wearing one of his best dresses. Beside, the whole school seemed so strange and solemn, but the thing that surprised me most was to see on the back benches that were always empty, the village people sitting quietly like ourselves. Old Hauser and his three-cornered hat, the former mayor and former postmaster, and several other besides. So what is being said by Franz here, that what the next thing that he noticed when he entered the class, that the back bench, which used to be quite vacant every time, but now today it was filled with several people like mayor, like postmaster, and other villagers who were sitting there at the benches, at the back benches. Everybody looked sad, and Hauser had bought an old primer, thumbed at the edge, and he held it open on his knees, and with his great spectacles lying across the pages. Once more thing is written here, that the old Hauser had brought the primer book. Primer book means the book that kids used to study the alphabets of the French book, that is being written on that primer. So that was brought by the old Hauser. While I was wondering about it all, Miss M. Hamel mounted his chair, and in the same grave and gentle tone which he had used to me, said, "My children, this is the best lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. The new master comes tomorrow. This is the last French lesson. I want you to be very attentive." Now at last, Mr. M. Hamel he just discloses that what actually happened. He said that yesterday there was a news from Berlin, and it had written on that news that from tomorrow French will not be taught, only German will be taught in the states of Alsace and Lorraine. So he discloses this fact. He discloses this the curious thing that Franz noticed in the school was just now revealed by Mr. M. Hamel, that why it happened. So it was happened because there was order from Berlin that from tomorrow onwards only German will be taught. What a thunderclap those words were to me. He feels now, Franz feels very surprised. He says that what a thunderclap these words were to me. Now Franz is feeling very sad that these are just as a thunderclap. These are just like a complete shock for me. Oh, the riches and was what they had put on the town hall. And now Franz realized that there was the crowd at the bulletin board, and that was because this news was written over there. My last French lesson, why I hardly knew how to write. Now Franz is saying that it was my last lesson. Today is the last lesson. Franz is saying that today is the last lesson, and he is feeling very shy. He is feeling very regretful that he did not pay attention to all of these classes, and that what was taught to him. So Franz is feeling very regretted of all the things that he neglected the French classes. So that's why he is very regretful. So now today I will be teaching till here only. From tomorrow from tomorrow I will start from here my French lesson. I will be starting from here and explaining you from this line. Till now we have completed here. Just go to and revise it, and whatever doubts you were having, you will be having, just ask in the doubt clearing classes. Thank you.